So in this video I'm going to walk you through how to see time spent on Facebook. First thing, open up your Facebook and then you tap on your profile icon, and then you scroll down all the way down to settings and privacy, tap on it, and to open up this menu, then you tap on your time on Facebook, and here to show you the time you spend on Facebook and get tools to help you make most of your time. So you can choose see time to see the time you spend on Facebook. You see the time per day, the time you spend using the Facebook app on your device, the average per week for the particular week and last week. You can see a weekly update to see how you manage your time on Facebook by turning this on. Then we can also go back and tap on manage your time, so you see tools that we can use to manage our time, and then you can choose to set quiet mode and schedule quiet mode. You will still be able to read your notifications, your notification shortcuts, but your emails and text notifications won't be affected. But to help you mute most push notifications and limit notification dots, next time you open the app on this device, you get a reminder that quiet mode is on. You can also choose a daily time reminder down here to receive a reminder after a few for the amount of time you choose. If you want that, you simply turn it on, set the time. You have 0, you have 20 minutes. So after choosing it, it starts on set reminder. Yes, reminder will start tomorrow for me because I've already set the daily time for today. If you want to continue, tap on set reminder. Then you can also don't forget to turn on your schedule quiet mode. You can schedule quiet mode. You set the time, start time, you set the end time, you choose the days, customize the date, and when you're through, you tap on start. So right now my quiet mode is on from 22:00 to 7:00, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If I don't want this, I can simply delete my schedule. Now quiet mode, you can turn it on for how many days, hours, how minutes you choose. Once I choose, tap on apply. So right now I've turned mine off. So that's how to manage your time. So you can get more from your time by staying in touch with friends. So tap on see settings over here to get more from your time. And you can manage your feed and see your community and manage your friend requests. When you manage your feed, you change who you follow, or snooze or update your favorite. Tap on it, go through all this, tap on there one by one, set your content preference. Once you're through, tap on friends on Facebook. Then you can manage to see all your friend requests, those are online, suggestions and everything. So that's how you can get more from your time. You can also control notification to choose which Facebook notification you receive and you get them. You can tap on see settings, and then you can tap on notification settings. Go through all this, set all this, and once you're through with that, notification dots, you can edit your preference for showing notifications. You choose which hotspot will show notification dots, video, marketplace, or menu. I don't want marketing, turn it off. Menu and video, I leave them on, and then I go back. So it's as simple as that. You can also learn how to balance your time online. When it comes to screen use, there are ways to figure out what best works for you. So tap on see how. Then you read about how to balance your time online. So once you've done that, you can go back, and it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more.